In our second video for new UMAP member institutions, we will look at navigating timelines in the USCO system and registering your institution's programs for upcoming semesters. You will receive an email from the UMAP International Secretariat prior to the opening of program registration periods in the USCO system. You can also log in to the USCO site at any time to check the current active UMAP timeline. As you can see, at this time, the only active timeline is for Program C, the super short-term programs. The timeline details page for the active program timeline outlines the periods and deadlines for registering your institution's programs. These are broken down into application cycles to provide flexibility for your institution. When registering a program, you have the ability to determine which cycles you will receive applications from, allowing you to plan student nomination deadlines for your UMAP programs. To register a program, you can either access registration under the Program drop-down menu or click Register New under Register/Edit Your Programs. The process will be the same to register Program A and B and for Program C offerings, although some of the required information may vary. You will fill in all required information about your institution's UMAP program offering. You can determine the language proficiency requirements, program fees for Program C, and the number of credits awarded for the program. Though again, Program C does not have to be for credit. This information will help students and coordinators at other UMAP member institutions navigate the program offerings and identify relevant programs, so please provide as much information as possible. Once you have entered all the information, click Save at the bottom of the page. The UMAP International Secretariat will review the information and publish it during the period outlined in the timeline details. That's it for registering your institution's programs on the USCO platform. If you have any questions about the process or any of the required information, please don't hesitate to reach out to the National Secretariat for Canada at umap@bccie.bc.ca.